Every time markets fall or move sideways, one question always comes to investors' minds: what smart money is buying? In today's video, I'll show you a short list of companies where FI holding has recently increased, and more importantly, these companies have passed some very strict fundamental and cash flow filters. Tracking FII's activity is very important because they have sold almost 1.84 lakh crore of Indian equity in last 6 months in cash segment. But on the other hand, foreign institutional investors quietly increase their stake in a few select companies. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button to get top-notch quality content like this. Please like the video if you found such videos valuable. It motivates me to make more research. Share with your friends for better reach. So let's get started. Let's be very clear from the start, FI buying alone does not make a stock good. FIs also make mistakes, but what retail investors can learn from them is all process and discipline. FIs typically focus on business quality, return ratios, cash flow sustainability and long-term growth visibility. So, instead of copying FI portfolios blindly, I applied strict fundamental and cash flow screens and then checked where FI holding has increased. There is ready-made screener available on screener.in website for FII buying, but the problem is it's showing more than 80 companies. So I filtered out only companies whose earning quality is very good. Here are the exact filters I used. First, market cap more than 500 crore, so we avoid illiquid microcaps. Second, sales growth and profit growth of more than 15% CAGR over the last 5 years. Third, ROE and ROCE both above 15%, which tells us the company knows how to compound capital efficiently. Fourth, where most retail investors don't go, operating cash flow to PAT above 90% and operating cash flow to EBITDA above 60%. This filter checks quality of earnings. Because profits can look good on paper, but only cash flow tells the real story. After applying all these filters, I checked companies where FII holding has increased recently. Now you can check only 4 companies left after screening. First is Waaree Energies Limited, second is Hindustan Copper, third is Knowledge Marine and fourth is Iris RegTech Solutions. Let's discuss fundamentals and business model of each company in short. First company is Waaree Energies Limited. It is a recently listed company having market cap of around 75,000 crore. It is one of India's fastest growing renewable energy giants. Currently FIIs had increased its holding from 2.68%, which is massive. Waaree Energies Limited is India's largest solar PV module manufacturer with a strong global footprint. The company operates across the entire renewable value chain, including solar modules, cells, ingot wafer manufacturing, EPC services, battery storage systems, green hydrogen electrolyzers, inverters and transformers. As of now, the company has a massive order book of around 47,000 crore, which translates to roughly 24 gigawatt in volume. What's even more impressive is the geographical split. Out of this total order book, 40.5% comes from India, while a strong 59.5% comes from overseas markets. Let's look at their current manufacturing strength. Right now, Waaree has a cell manufacturing capacity of 5.4 GW, and when it comes to modules, the capacity stands at approximately 18.7 GW, which also includes their US manufacturing assets. This makes Waaree one of the largest solar manufacturers, not just in India, but globally. They are adding 6 gigawatts in module capacity. Along with this, 10 gigawatt of new cell capacity is being added. And on top of that, another 10 gigawatt in ingot and wafer capacity is planned. Management has clearly mentioned that all these expansions are progressing as per schedule, which shows strong execution capabilities. The total planned capex is more than 25,000 crore. Recently, the company also approved an additional capex of 8,175 crore. This money will be used for some very strategic projects. Battery storage expansion from 3.5 gigawatt hour to 20 gigawatt hour. Electrolyzer capacity expansion from 300 megawatt to 1 gigawatt. Inverter capacity expansion from 3 gigawatt to 4 gigawatt. So clearly Waaree is not just focused on solar anymore, it is building a complete clean energy ecosystem. Second company is Hindustan Copper Limited. It is India's only integrated copper mining company and a true strategic asset for the nation. Hindustan Copper Limited, established in 1967, is a Miniratna Category 1 CPSE under the Ministry of Mines. As of today, market capitalization is 50,000 crore. Currently, FIIs increased there from 3.71% to 5.05%. The government currently holds 66.14% stake in the company. HCL is the sole vertically integrated copper producer in India, with operations spanning mining, ore beneficiation in smelting, refining, and copper rod manufacturing. Third company is Knowledge Marine and Engineering Works Limited. In this company, FIIs acquired, staggering 10.88% in last quarter. This is one of the very few listed pure-play marine engineering companies in India, working across dredging, shipbuilding, tug operations, and port services. The company provides end-to-end marine engineering services including capital and maintenance dredging, owning, operating and chartering of port crafts, shipbuilding, repair and refit services, tug operations and inland waterway projects. KMEW operates across major ports, inland waterways and international markets including Myanmar and Bahrain. Now let's look at what the company achieved in FY25. More than 96% of total revenue came purely from dredging operations, which shows their core strength. In just 1 year, KMEW expanded its fleet from 16 vessels to over 40 vessels. That's massive growth. FY25 was also special because the company entered the commercial shipbuilding segment for the first time, opening up a completely new revenue stream. Fourth company is Iris RegTech Solutions Limited. This is India's only listed RegTech and SupTech company with more than 2 decades of domain expertise in structured data standards like XBRL and SDMX. In this company, FIs hold nearly 1.73% stake as per latest quarterly shareholding pattern. In last quarter, it was around 0.5%. The company operates through proprietary platforms such as Vaitras, iRise File, a digital supervision platform for regulators, iRise Carbon, a SaaS disclosure and compliance reporting solution, iRise iDeal, a BFSI regulatory reporting automation, iRise Peridot, a data platform for MSMEs. Iris has a global presence in 55 plus countries and works with 30 plus regulators and stock exchanges. So which company is in your watch list? Please tell me in comments. These 4 stocks which I have shared are only for educational purpose. Don't consider this as buy or sell recommendation. Please tell me which topic should I cover in next video. I will make video on it. Till then, happy investing.